Can you see two red color pictures on my screen? It looks like letter L, like this. This angle we call right angle. Right? Let's move ahead. First, let's get an idea about what is an angle. An angle is a measurement of turn. It tells us the movement of turn from one position to another. Now here look at my thumb and point finger. If I keep it like this, there is no movement, but I can slowly move it. Here now it has moved from this position to here. Earlier it was here like this, and now here I can move it. For this movement we call angle. Now here look at in my screen, there are three pictures. There are three angles. Some are like this, some like this, and some than this. We can't fold our finger than that, right? With the help of pictures, let's go. Here now look at this. I have three angles, red, blue, and yellow. This is the one we are going to study today. We call this right angle. Right angle is, it looks like letter L, and in maths we tell that it measures exactly 90 degrees. 90 degrees means this corner we call 90 degrees. Here look at this. It looks like letter L. This corner, this angle we call right angle. It is exactly 90 degrees. When you are going to higher grades, you will learn more about that. For this is enough for your level, right? Just keep this in your mind. Right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Now let's move to this blue color one. We call it acute angle. It is less than 90 degrees. It is less than 90 degrees here. This is 90 degrees, and here this is less than that. If it is 90 degrees, it should be like this, but here it is less than that. So we call acute angles. This kind of small angles we call acute angles. It measures less than 90 degrees. Look at this yellow color one. It is little bit bigger than right angle. So we call them obtuse angles. Obtuse angles. Obtuse angle. It is little bit here. If this is 90 degrees, it should be like this. But here this is bigger than 90 degrees. So we call obtuse angles are measure more than 90 degrees. Now we should know there are three types of main angles. First one is right angle. It is exactly 90 degrees. And second one, it is acute angle. It is less than 90 degrees, small angle. And last one, the third one, it is obtuse angles. It is more than 90 degrees. That means big angle. Today we are going to study only this, right? Now look at this. You can see three angles and three shapes on my screen. First, go through this square. It has 4 sides and I have marked 2 sides in red. When you go through this angle, can you see there is a right angle in this corner? It looks like letter L. It's upside down. This kind of corner is there in this angle. For this angle we call 90 degrees, a right angle. Here look at this red color line. It has joined together and here make an angle. For this we can say right angle. It is exactly 90 degrees. It is totally similar to letter L. L. Now let's move to this blue color one. We call it acute angle. And look at my example. I have a star here and it has how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. 5 angles are there. If we consider this angle, this red color one, there is a small angle. It is less than this. It is smaller one. It is less than 90 degrees. So we call it acute angle. Have you seen this shape? This green color one? It has 8 sides. We call this octagon. Sometimes you may have seen, sometimes you may not. This is octagon and here I have marked 2 sides in red. 2 sides in red and there is a corner here. Can you see? Jenuli, are you sleeping? There is an angle here. Can you see? Now tell me whether it is exactly 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees or it is more than 90 degrees. This corner.
More than 90 degrees.
Yes, very good. It is more than 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, it should come like this. Now this is little bit bigger than 90 degrees. So we call these angles obtuse angles. Obtuse angles. Okay, now I think you have this right angle tester and mathematics workbook 1 with you. Now here I have shown the way how we are going to use this to check whether it is a right angle or not. Look at the first picture. Here I have, what is this shape? It is rectangle and here I have checked it. And if it fixed with this open area, it is a right angle. If it does not fix with this open area, this angle, it may be less than 90 or more than 90. Here I will explain you the way first how do we do it. Here now I am going to check this corner. Here I have your Buddhism book and I want to check whether this corner is a right angle. So I will take this and I will fix each side on two sides what we going to check. Here like this you should keep it. Did you see? It fits properly. So we can tell that this corner, this is an right and this is a right angle. If it fits properly to this, it is a right angle. Now let's see this. I have this. Now I'm going to fix it here. Can you fix it properly? Can we fix it properly?
No.
Here we have some space here. So this circle, it doesn't have right angle. And now let's move our activity. Right here we have checked that rectangle and a triangle. Here look at this picture. Does this triangle fix with the open area? Has it fixed? Or is there a space? Here in between these yellow, green and red color thing, you can see a space here. So this triangle is not fixed with right angle. So this corner is not a right angle. Let's see how do we do it. Take out your mathematics workbook 1 and turn to page number 22. The page what I have shown you. And now I am going to explain you the way how we are going to use this. I will
Page number
22.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now here look at this, right? With me you can try. First have a look, then you can try. I am going to use this shape. What is the color? I have black and white book. What is the color of this shape?
Purple.
Purple. Here, now I'm going to do this. I'm going to check whether these corners are right angles. So first have a look. I'm going to fix this corner with this. If I'm going to check this corner, I should fix these two sides on my right angle tester with the sides of the shape. Here look at this. It is fixing. Did you check? Does it fix with the tester?
Yes.
Yes. If it is fixed, it is a right angle. Now the book says, use the right angle tester. Color the right angles in each shape in yellow. So you can color this corner in yellow. Let's do it later, right? First we'll check. Now I'm going to check this corner. So I can place my tester like this. And I got to know that it also a right angle or not.
Right. Yes, right angle.
Yes, it is right angle. Now here check other corners too, whether they are right angles.
That one also a right angle.
Yeah, then take the remaining one.
Teacher,
Yes,
this triangle all are yellow.
Yeah, here all these four angles are right angles. So you have to color all four corners in yellow.
Okay.
Now let's move to this shape. What is the color of this shape? It is something like kite.
Orange color. Orange
Orange.
color.
Okay, let's check it whether they are right angles or not. I will do first this one, right? I'm going to place my right angle tester here. Here I can fix only one line with my tester. Can you see? So, this corner is less than 90 degrees. So, what is the name of that corner? No need to write the name. If it is less than 90 degrees, if it is less than right angle, we should color it in red. Did you notice this? This corner is less than right angle. Did you place your right angle test?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher.
Okay, now check this corner. It is right angle. Or it is less or more. Place one side on your right angle test and check whether it is less, more or a right angle. Check and tell me.
More than 90.
Yes. If it is more than 90, we should color it in blue. The corner, there is a mark in white. You should, yes, that corner you have to color in blue. And check
All
this corner.
corners are blue.
Not all corners are blue. Put here. This is less than 90. This corner, we checked it. So you should color the corners less than 90 in red. More, this is more than 90. So you should color this in blue. And let's check this. Check this and tell me whether it is right angle or not. Let's keep our right angle test and check whether it is less than or more than or 90. It is
More than 90.
is more than 90. So you should color that in blue. And the top here, this one. It also less, more
than 90.
also more than right angle. So here in this shape, you should color these three in blue and this in yellow. Sorry. Did you get it?
Teacher, this in yellow.
Yes, Pute. Sorry. It is in red. If it is less than 90, you should color it in red. If it is exactly 90, if it is matched with our right angle tester, you should color it in yellow. If it is more than this, you should color it in blue. Will you be able to check all the shapes and color them alone? Okay, now let's do an activity. Turn to page number 23.
Teacher, page number 23.
Yes. Shape thing is there, right? Now first look at my screen and name these shapes. What is this yellow color shape?
Oval.
Oval. Green color one.
Circle.
Here, this one.
Triangle.
Rectangle. This one.
Rectangle. Square.
Yeah. This has 5 sides and we call it pentagon. What is it?
Pentagon. Hexagon.
Hexagon. It has 6 sides and we call it hexagon. With the help of this, now we are going to do the activity in page number 23. Right? It says, join each shape to its correct name. First one, circle. How many circles are there? Find and match the name with the shape. Do it now, Pute. There are how many circles? Check and let me know how many circles are there. Yeah.
4.
No, only 2 circles are there. How many squares? How many?
2.
1.
1. No. 1.
This one
2.
is not a square.
2.
1 square, Pute. Here, this is not a square. Only this we can take as square. Rectangle. How many rectangles are there? How many rectangles?
1.
No.
2.
2. 2, Pute. 2. This one and this one. Yenuli. This and this. This is the name, rectangle. Last one, triangle.
Rectangle Nathan.
Find this red color shape. How many triangles? This shape. There are 2 triangles. 2. Generally, go to the page. There are 2 triangles. Here, the first one, and here. Next shape is here in the bottom of the page. Again, there are some names. Oval. This yellow color shape.
Teacher,
Yes, Pute.
how many triangles?
2, isn't it?
No, it's 3 now. 3, teacher. Green,
One is
yellow,
green,
purple.
yellow, and purple.
Maybe here this is black and white, so I can't see the yellow color one. Then maybe there are 3.
The rectangle also same. Rectangle, 3 rectangles.
Yellow color one also there. Okay.
Yes.
Then here if you can see the picture match it with the shape. Right here I have only black and white, so I can't see light color things on my book. Here, see this, will you? Okay. Now let's move oval. How many
2
ovals?
ovals.
How many ovals?
2.
Then match the shape with its name. This one.
Hexagon.
Next, pentagon. This shape, it should have 5 sides. Pentagon.
3.
You have 3 pentagons.
3
Match them.
teacher.
Okay, match them with the name pentagon.
1.
What are the
Yes.
colors? Tell me.
1.
Purple.
Dark purple.
No, Pute, that dark purple one is hexagon, I think. Yeah, this one, yes, it is pentagon. It's only one.
Blue one, teacher.
Yeah, only one. And one hexagon.
1.
One pentagon and one hexagon. To be a pentagon, it should have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then hexagon, last one, hexagon, it should have 6 sides. There should be 6 sides to be a hexagon. Have you finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher.
Now in page number 22, there is an interesting activity. Shall we do that too?
Rectangle. Make.
This page. Look at my screen. I have that page. Now here it says, in this you have to match the shape with the space. Here on this square, it should come blue hexagon. How many blue hexagons are there?
24.
How many blue hexagons? It should be a hexagon and it should be blue. Like this, you should match. Hexagon, blue hexagon. Now here it says, it should be a hexagon but not blue. Are there any other color hexagons? Yeah, there is one. We should match it with here. Now likewise, you should match here the second line. It should not be a hexagon, but it should be blue. How many blue color shapes are there other than hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4. You should match all these 4 shapes to here. Blue color one. It should not be a hexagon, but it should be blue.
This right.
You should match it put there. This also blue, but it is not a hexagon, so we can match it here. And this also a kind of blue, but it is not a hexagon, so we can match it here. This also blue in color, but it is not a hexagon, so we can match that shape also here. Now we have one more blank to fill. It says not hexagon, not blue. How many shapes are remaining? They should not be hexagon and should not be blue. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 shapes should come here.
Also here.
These are not hexagon and they are not in blue color. So we can match them here. There are some more. There are 2 more to match. Have you finished? Here don't just copy what I am doing, right? You should go through pictures. Here to first pair, it should come blue hexagon. Blue hexagon. Go around, have a look.
Teacher, this.
And second square, it says hexagon, not blue. It should be a hexagon, but should not be blue in color. We had only one. Now the second row, first column, it says not hexagon, but blue. Not hexagon, but blue. Then we should find blue color shapes, but they should not hexagon. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 blue color shapes, 5 blue color shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue color shapes. One is a hexagon. All the others are not hexagon. And to this second row, second column, it says not hexagon, not blue. These shapes should not be blue in color and they should not hexagon. So we can match all the other shapes here. Irupama, are you okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now do this alone, right? And also in the next page, turn to the next page. Page number 25. Here there also you have an activity, something similar to this. You have to do this alone, right? Don't get the help of even your parents. First column it should come. First pair it should come. The animal which has 4 legs and a tail. Has a tail, has 4 legs. And second one, first row, second column, it says, has a tail, does not have 4 legs. They should have a tail, but maybe that is more than 4 legs or less than 4 legs. Second row, first column, it is, does not have a tail, but have 4 legs. Does not have a tail,